Okay, let's see about volume of parallelepiped. Okay, so volume of parallelepiped ni dia akan menggunakan konsep of scala triple product. Okay, so before this we have learned about the scala triple product. So we will use the concept of scala triple product untuk kita cari volume of parallelepiped. So bila awak diminta untuk cari volume of parallelepiped, awak tahu awak akan menggunakan skala triple product di mana volume of parallelepiped formulanya adalah A dot B cross C. Okay, so ini adalah dia punya gambaran dia, what is parallelepiped. Okay, so dia punya volume can be find by using A dot B cross C, di mana A, B and C ni adalah vektor. Okay, so kita tengok example. So this note you can abaikan because this one is about the non-coplanar, which is out of our syllabus. Okay, so let's see the example on finding the volume of parallelepiped. So find the volume of the parallelepiped determined by the vectors A, B and C. Okay, and you know that to find the volume of parallelepiped, the formula is the vector A dot vector B cross vector C. Okay, so what we can do is, we know that in finding vector A dot vector B cross vector C, we can just need to find the determinant of, need to follow the order, vector A dot vector B cross vector C. Okay, so the first row will be the element of A, which is negative 2, 3, ijk. So I for A J is 0 because there is no J here. So negative 2, 0, 3. Then for B you have 1, 2, negative 1. And for C you have I is 0, J is 7 and K is negative 4. Okay, so now we just need to find the determinant of this one. Okay, so you can use any method to find determinant. Let's say we have negative 2, 0, 3, 1, 2, negative 1, 0, 7, negative 4. Okay, then we copy 2 column outside, 0, 2, 7. Then we have 2 bracket here. The first one is to this one multiply plus with this one plus with this one. So negative 2 multiply with 2, negative 4, negative 4 multiply with negative 4, you get 16. So we have 16 plus 0 times negative 1, 0 times 0 is 0, plus 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, then we have another here from the bottom here. Okay, so we have 0 times 2 times 3 is 0, plus 7 times negative 1 is negative 7, negative 7 times negative 2 is 14, plus negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times 0 is 0. Okay, so you have here 16 plus 21 is equal to 37. Okay, and you have minus with 0 plus 14 plus 0 is 14. So 37 minus 14 is equal to 23 unit cube. So this one is the volume of the parallelepiped. Because we have learned before, the scalar triple product, okay, the scalar triple product, if you have A dot B cross C, this one is actually the determinant of A. The first row will be A dot B cross C. So the first row will be the element of A, the element of B, and the element of C. So if you want to find what is the A dot B cross C, you just need to find the determinant of this element. Okay, so this one is for finding the volume of parallelepiped, one of the application of the scalar dot product. Okay, let's see one example here. Okay, this one is the triangle. We will not learn the triangle, but let's see this question. Okay, the triangle ABC has its vertices at the point of A, negative 1, 0, 3, B, 2, negative 1, negative 3, and C, 5, 1, negative 5. So this one is 3 point. Okay, so the first question asks us to find the vector AB and AC. Okay, so to find vector AB and AC, the first thing you need to do is you need to see the direction. So this one is from A to B. Okay, from A to B, because it's vector AB. Okay, so the point of A is negative 1, 0, 3. The point of B is 2, negative 1, negative 3. So to find the vector AB, you need to take the second point minus with the first point. So you will have 2. Okay, you have 2 minus with negative 1. And this one is for I. Okay, and then you take the second point here, negative 1 minus with 0. Okay, plus negative 1 minus with 0, and this one is for J, and negative 3 minus with 3, and this one is for K. Okay, so 2 minus minus will be plus, 2 plus 1 is 3I, negative 1 minus 0 will be negative 1J, negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6K, so this one is your AB. Okay, 3I minus J minus 6K. Okay, same goes when you want to find what is AC. You know that AC is the vector that is starting from the point A to point C here. Okay, this one is the direction. Therefore, your point A is negative 1, 0, 3. Your point C is 5, 1, negative 5. So what you need to do is you need to take the second point minus with this first point. So you have 5 minus negative 1, and this one is for I, plus with 1 minus with 0, and this one is for J, and negative 5 minus with 3, okay, and this one is for K. So 5 plus plus is minus minus is plus, so 5 plus 1 is 6I, 1 minus 0 is 1J, negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8K. Okay, so you have 6I plus J minus 8K as your vector A to C. So to find vector between 2 points, you need to know the direction of the vector. Okay, so it's important for you to understand how to find the vector between 2 points. Then the question asks you to find the direction cosine of AB. Okay, so we have learned before. Now you have your vector AB equal to 3I minus J minus 6K. Okay, and you need to remember how to find the direction cosine. Okay, where the direction cosine, you have 3 things. Okay, the first one is when you have the vector AB and the axis X. So this one is alpha. So to find cos alpha, it will be X over magnitude of AB. Okay, so the first thing you need to find is the magnitude of AB. So magnitude of AB is actually the square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. So your x here is 3, so 3 square, plus your y here is negative 1 square, plus your z here is negative 6 square. Okay, so you have here your magnitude of AB. 3 square is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus with 36 is 46. So you have square root of 46 is the determinant, the magnitude of AB. Okay, therefore to find cos alpha, it will be x. X is equal to 3 over square root of 46. So this one is your cos alpha. Okay. And then you have cos beta, where beta is the angle between vector AB with y. Therefore, to find cos beta, the formula will be y over magnitude of AB. Okay, y over magnitude of AB. Where is my... Okay, magnitude of AB is 46 here. So your y is negative 1. Therefore, you have your cos beta is negative 1 over square root of 46. Okay, and the last one is you have the angle gamma, where the angle gamma is between the vector AB and the axis Z. Okay, so the formula to find cos gamma is Z over magnitude of AB. Magnitude of AB. Therefore, your Z here is negative 6, and the magnitude of AB is 46. So you have your cos gamma is negative 6 over sec 46. This one, cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma, we call as a cos direction cosine. Direction cosine. Okay, what is direction angle? Alpha, beta, and gamma is your direction angle. So to find direction angle, you need to bring cos to the right. So it will be shift cos. Okay, alpha equal to shift cos this thing. So that one is direction angle. But now the question asks us to find the direction cosine. Okay. Then we need to find the projection of C onto B. Okay, so here is the formula to find the projection of C onto B. You can see back the notes. Okay, what is the formula to find the projection of C onto B? It will be the vector C product with the vector AB. Okay, divide by the magnitude of AB. Okay, we just need to do a dot product. Okay, so dot product 5 times with 3 plus with 1 times with -1 plus with -5 times with -6. Okay, so you will have 44 over sec 46. This one is a projection of vector C onto vector AB. Okay, and then you have been asked to find the volume of the parallelepiped by A, B, and C. So we know that to find the volume of parallelepiped is by finding the A dot B cross C. Okay, and you know that this one can be found by finding the determinant of element A, B, and C. So now we have our A equal to -103. Our B is equal to 2, -13. And our C is 5, 1, -5. So you just need to find the determinant of this matrix. Okay, so you have two bracket. We need to copy first. Okay, we need to copy first let me write it again. Okay, so you have determinant here. Okay, we need to copy first the first two column. So we have -1, 2, 5, 0, -1, 1 here. Then we have bracket minus with bracket. Then we will start with the one here, multiply. Okay, so you will have -1 multiplied with -1 is 1, multiplied with -5 is -5 plus 0 multiply -3 is 0, multiply with 5 is 0, plus 3 multiply with 2 is 6, multiply with 1 is 6. Okay, and then we need to take from the bottom here. Okay, up here. So what you have is 5 multiply with -1 is -5, -5 multiply with 3 is -15. Okay, -15. Wait. Okay, so we have -15 plus 1 multiply -3 is -3, -3 multiply with -1 is 3, plus -5 multiply with 2 is -10, -10 multiply with 0 is 0. Okay, so we have here -5 plus 0 plus 6 is 1, minus with -15 plus 3 is -12. Okay, so 1 plus 12 is 13 unit cube. Okay, so to find the volume of parallelepiped, you just need to find the determinant of this matrix. How to get determinant of this matrix is according to the order. Okay, the first row must be this one, the element of A. The second row must be the element of B, and the third row must be the element of C. Okay, let's see this example. Find the volume of the parallelepiped with edges A, B, and C. So A is 3i plus 3j minus 2k, B equal to 5i minus j plus k, and C equal to 2i plus 5j plus 4k. We know that we can find the volume of the parallelepiped by using the formula A dot B cross C, where this one can be found by finding the determinant of A, B, C according to the order. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to find the determinant of the first row must be A. So your A is here, 3, 3, -2. And then the second row must be the element of B. So your B is here, which is 5, negative 1 and 1, and the last one is C, where your C is here, where you have 2, 5 and 4. So you need to find the determinant of this one. So you copy 2 column outside, so you have 3, 5, 2, 3, negative 1, 5. Then we have 2 bracket. Okay, so the first one is this the first one is this element. Okay, so you need to multiply. 3 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 3 times 4 is negative 12 plus 3 times 1 is 3 times 2 is 6 plus negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Negative 10 times 50. Sorry, negative 10 times 5 is negative 50. Okay, then the second one is from the bottom. Okay, so you need to multiply. 2 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 multiplied with negative 2 is 4 plus 5 multiplied with 1 is 5. Multiplied with 3 is 15 plus 4 multiplied with 5 is 20. Multiplied with 3 is 60. Okay, so now you have negative 12 plus 6 is negative 6. Negative 6 minus 50 is negative 56. Minus with 4 plus 15 is 19. 19 plus 60 is 79. So you have negative 56 minus 79. It will give you negative 135. Okay, you have negative 135. But now we are finding the volume of the parallelepiped. How come volume to be negative? Volume cannot be negative. Okay, so when you have this value which is the negative value, it means that we are now in the left-handed system. Okay, so we have a right-handed system like this. When we have axis, okay, we have axis x here, y here and z here. Okay, so this one will give you the volume of parallelepiped, which is positive value. But sometimes we will have the left-handed axis, where the axis is like this. This one is the axis y, this one is the axis z, and the axis x is in the negative side. So it will give you the volume with negative value. But what you need to do, you just need to put the absolute sign here. Okay, the modulus signs here. So your volume will be 135 unit cube. So you just need to ignore the negative sign. Negative sign is just show you that it is in the left-handed system. Okay, your parallelepiped is in the left-handed system. Okay, but the volume must be positive, and you just need to use the same method to find the volume of the parallelepiped.